Nurturing a goat's dream. Planting Mombasa grass. Hey fellow goat enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into a powerful way to boost both your goat's nutrition and your garden's health by planting Mombasa grass. This nutrient-rich favorite of Anglo-Nubian goats is easier to grow than you'd think. First, I handpicked the strongest, healthiest Mombasa stems. The soil was a bit of a challenge, starting out moist before drying out and hardening. But a quick watering session softened things up, and I were back on track. Each stem got its own spot, planted just deep enough for sturdy roots to take hold. For a natural boost, I added a layer of goat dung as fertilizer. This nutrient-packed addition helps the grass grow lush and strong, and it works wonders on the other plants too, from fruit trees to banana crops. It keeps the soil rich, moist, and ready for growth. Just imagine, with a bit of planting each day, you'll soon have a thriving Mombasa grass patch to keep your Anglo-Nubian goats happy and healthy all year round. Plus, you'll be supporting a more eco-friendly, sustainable garden. So if you're a goat owner or caretaker, give it a try. Your goats and your garden will thank you.